In this video, we explore the serious risks associated with a broken neutral wire in a three-phase electrical system, often referred to as the hidden danger of the floating neutral. In a healthy three-phase system, the neutral wire acts as an anchor, balancing return currents and keeping the voltage supplied to your appliances stable at 230 volts. When the neutral wire breaks, that essential anchor is lost. This disconnects the zero voltage reference, forcing your appliances into a new, dangerous electrical path. This results in a floating neutral. The star point of the system shifts away from 0 volts, creating a dynamic and unstable environment where voltages fluctuate based on your connected loads. Think of it like a seesaw. Light loads with high impedance can suddenly experience dangerous voltage spikes, while heavy loads may see their voltage sag significantly. Mathematically, this leads to an imbalance. A heater with low resistance might be severely undervolted, while sensitive devices like televisions may receive a dangerously high voltage. The impact on equipment is severe. Electronics can explode from overvoltage, motors can overheat from undervoltage, and lighting systems will dim or blow out entirely. The myth of perfect balance doesn't hold up in the real world. As appliances turn on and off, the neutral point constantly shifts, making the system inherently unstable. Perhaps the greatest risk is the shock hazard. With a floating neutral, metal casings of appliances can rise above 0 volts, turning them into a lethal touch risk. Warning signs include lights changing brightness, appliances behaving erratically, or the smell of burning coming from your distribution board. It is critical to remember that standard circuit breakers, or MCBs, are not designed to protect against this. They respond to high current, which may not occur during a neutral break. Similarly, residual current circuit breakers, or RCCBs, are not a solution. They look for leakage to the earth, but a neutral break often keeps current contained within the phases. The true solution is a voltage monitoring relay. These devices monitor phase voltages and can instantly isolate the system if a floating neutral condition is detected. If you suspect a fault, do not toggle your appliances. Turn off the main power immediately and contact a qualified electrician to inspect the system. To summarize, a broken neutral causes an unstable voltage shift that can destroy equipment and create severe safety hazards. Always ensure your system has proper, proactive protection.